chickens, listen a minute, please. Keep
his name was Jack, we had a queen bee, he was back to his own. He asked me how his name was wrong, and he found me a horse, bullshit down. From down south, so like in Spain, comes now. He was a fat, he didn't give a fuck, that's what I like about him. He ain't like see from dog to the moment, pulled his girl up and told him his bone. Corner me in body, he used to be a deep, down, he stuck me over for the weekend. And his black dude, I called King Kong, he had a big ass dick and a hurricane.
I'm from NYBROOKLY, and they ask me why I'm so. Eat up the runway. Eat up the runway.
Especially different every time you keep me on my feet, happily excited by your cologne, your hands, your smile, your intelligence. You woo me, you caught me, you tease me, you please me, you school me, give me some things to think about, ignite me, you invite me, you co-write me, you love me, you like me, you incite me to chorus. You love me,
Yeah, big. Talk your shit.
partner, let me upgrade you.
How you gonna upgrade me? It's higher than #1. You know I used to beat that block. Now I bees the block.
Partner, let me upgrade.
I hear you be the block, but I'm the life to keep the streets on. Notice you the type that like to keep them on the leash, though. I'm known to walk alone, but I'm alone for a reason. Sending me a drink ain't appeasing, but